Hello everyone, today we have got a super big guest on the channel. I can't wait to introduce to you my baby girl. Y'all, this is my daughter's first video tutorial and I can't wait for her to show you what she's got. Now, I added some guidelines to her 3-inch canvas. It's also a magnet so that we can add it to the collage I've been making on our back door. I gave her full creative control and I left her alone in my art room. Y'all, all I'm gonna do is edit the video and give you guys a commentary on what you're seeing on the screen. So let's get started. All right, it looks like our guest artist is gonna get started with a little of that white flash paint. Oh, we've got a blowout on the home screen. We're gonna be cleaning that up with a cotton swab. Now she's already dipping into that blue flash paint. We're going with the gradient texture, folks. Can we get a like? I mean, this is getting exciting. Check out the way she's grasping that 2mm tool. Oh my, that didn't work out. We're going back to that original grasp. She is wasting no time mixing in another dip of that blue flash and grabbing that 5mm tool. Y'all, I can't wait to see where this goes. Oh, it looks like we've got a big distraction on the desk here. We're giving a big shout out to Grandma, aka JaDeL's mom. Thanks for joining channel membership. You're the best mom and the best grandma in the whole world. Now, back to our guest artist as she is mixing in yet another dip of that blue flash paint. Y'all, this is wild and crazy. I can't wait to see what she's gonna do next. Wow, we've got a real rebel on our hands. Look as she toys with the boundaries of that camera, just slowly inching towards the edge of that desk. I'm telling you, she's fearless as she takes on that 0.5mm fine tip stylus from Happy Dotting Company. Look at her make work of this row. Oh, another dip of that blue flash paint, and she is reaching for, oh my gosh, the S4 from Happy Dotting Company. Look at her make these little fat swooshes from this dotting stylus. I've never seen it done, ladies and gentlemen. You're seeing it here first. Oh my gosh, this is getting serious. She has gone past the dips and she is going straight for scoops, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on to your pants. This is getting out of control. Look at the speed of this girl as she dots and gets closer and closer to the edge of the desk. I'm afraid we might lose her, folks. Hold on and cross your fingers. We're going in and sticking with her. Hold on, channel. Something new is happening. It looks like we've gone back to an equal ratio of blue and white flash. She is changing up the whole routine and making me wonder, what are you gonna do next? Look at her walking those dots with such speed. She's got no time for perfection. We are getting this done, ladies and gentlemen. She is all the way back to where we started with the white flash. I think she's coming around the track and she is ready to cross the finish line. This is getting good. Oh man, as she makes her way around the finish, she notices that she's venturing outside of the camera area and she brings it back in. She is going pro. Would you look at this camera work? Would you look at this mandala, y'all? This is a beautiful finish. I couldn't be more proud and more wowed by a mandala. Y'all, I have had so much fun making this. She's probably gonna kill me for being so silly, but listen, I left all of these supplies down in the description. Check out this final reveal. Oh man, you guys, I couldn't be more proud. Look at this magnet. It is perfect. Y'all know that is something I never say, but to me, this is absolutely perfect. You go, baby girl. I am so proud. Y'all, would you please light up the comments, hit the like button, do all of those things to let her know that this is art. I am so proud. All right, I am going to leave some videos here for y'all to watch, and until next time, do like my baby girl. Rock on.